Welcome to Spice and Buds. Today we are preparing chicken alfaham. I have taken one whole chicken with skin and cut it using butterfly technique. Then tender the chicken like this using a meat mallet. Doing this softens the fiber, making the chicken easier to chew and to digest. Now make some slits on the chicken. For first marination, I am adding in 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, 5 tablespoons hung yogurt, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, salt for taste. Rub the marinade on the chicken and keep it like this for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Meanwhile, I am preparing Arabic Masala. Heat the pan on stove top and adding in 2.5 tablespoons coriander seed, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 10 No.s Red chilli, 1 tablespoon Fennel seed, 1.5 tablespoon Cumin seed, 6 No.s of Cardamom, 5 pieces of cinnamon, 8 No.s of cloves. Roast it well and let it cool for some time. Take a mixer jar, add the cool spices and grind it to fine powder. Slice one medium-sized tomato and chop some coriander leaves. Now I am adding in sliced tomato, 5 green chilies, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, salt, 2 tablespoon onion powder, half cup coriander leaves. Second marinade is ready. Apply this masala thoroughly on the chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil with this masala. Place it inside the oven, which is already preheated 20 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. Now The delicious Alfaham chicken is ready. Please try this in your home and let me know in the comment. Today's food for thought. We know Alfaham chicken is an Arabian dish. But do you know what is the meaning of Alfaham? Please write down your answer in the comment. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.